Kung nasaktan kayo sa Meet Me in St. Gallen, wait until you see a special memory. So yun na nga, let's talk about a special memory non-spoiler review. So first of all, this movie is a Philippine adaptation of a Japanese series called Pure Soul. And the story revolves around a couple kung saan nagkaroon ng early Alzheimer's si Sandra. Well, pwede pala yun. Pwede pala kahit na below 30 years old, pwede magkaroon ng Alzheimer's. So first, let's talk about the story. Grabe, tuwang-tuwa ako sa storya ng pelikulang ito. Yung tipong mararamdaman mo rin na ang sakit-sakit ng mga nangyayari. And for me, siguro sa mga love story movies, mahalaga na maramdaman mo yung chemistry, maramdaman mo yung kilig between the main characters, and this movie did not fail to do that. And one of the things that I love about this movie is yung sounds, yung musical scoring. Kasi kapag nandun sila sa residential area, maririnig mo talaga may nagtatahulang aso, may mga nagmamarites na mga kapitbahay, at ang hikbi ko sa pelikulang ito, oo, naiyakin na ako. And the director of this movie is Jerry Lopez Sineneng, which is marami na siyang na-direct na pelikula. And the writer of this movie is Ricky Lee, which is the national artist for film and broadcast arts. And for me, this is the mapanakit na pelikula ngayong 2026, and a special memory will be shown starting March 11 sa mga sinihan.